Welcome. I have 4 exercises today that's going to help us to continue to build amazing leg strength from a seated position. Follow along, do your very best. I'm going to need a little bit of assistance because I'm recovering from an injury. You do whatever works for you. If you need some kind of assistance, use it. If not, enjoy the ride. Let's go. I'm just going to do a quick twist just to wake up the body. Start to build some of that inner energy. Already just start to reach. Point your fingers to the side. Now, just bring your feet up off the ground as you swing your arm across your body. Just a real quick warm up before we get started. 4 simple, maybe not easy exercises to help you continue to build amazing leg strength so that we can age with strength, ease, trust, and confidence in our bodies. All right, leg extensions, exercise number 1. All right, sit up nice and tall, come to the edge of your seat, and just raise your leg up. Point your toe into the sky. Really feel that in the quadricep. You can put your hands on your chair as well, if that helps you to have stability. My left leg doesn't quite extend all the way. I am not focusing on that, focusing on what I can do, as long as there's no pain. Let's go. Engage your core here too. We're doing compound exercises, meaning yes, this really is mostly working the quadricep muscle, but obviously our hamstrings are getting involved. We sit up nice and tall. We engage the core to help us to build a strong back, great core stability. Nothing fancy. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. We want to build leg strength. This is just going to help us to climb the stairs, go for evening walks, do all the things we love to do, just with a little bit more strength, confidence, and ability. 1 more on each side. Lovely. Okay, now that we're warm, number 1 exercise, sit to stand. I would ultimately like you to have your hands out, come to the edge of your chair. I'm using a little bit of assistance. And rise. Back down, slow and controlled. Just do your very best. Again, engage the core. This is a movement that we do several times a day. This is a movement we want to be able to do with incredible efficiency as we age. Real controlled. Do your best. Maybe you just come up off the seat just a tiny bit. Perfectly fine. Again, wherever you're at, just meet me there. We accept where we're at. We know our starting place. And we can truly begin and make progress just by showing up every day. Ooh. 1 more. Lovely. Now, seated march. Come to the edge of your chair again. Sit up nice and tall. Elongate your spine. Head up high. Drive your knee up towards your chest. Swing your arm with real attention. Focus. Go at your own pace. You can go real quick if you like. Build cardiovascular endurance as well. Why not? Or slow. Building great hip mobility. Strength throughout our legs. We're sitting up tall, so again, the core is getting activated. Using our arms. Ooh, there's nothing we can't do. We bring real presence into these simple, again, it might not be easy, movements. I'm gonna pick up the pace just a bit for this last few. All right. Nicely done. Now, calf raises. Sometimes we neglect our calves. This is going to help with ankle mobility as well. Just bring your heels up off the ground. Come up onto the balls of your feet, onto your tippy toes if possible. And you're gonna really feel that in the calf muscles. Again, sitting up nice and tall. Hands can be on the bench or your chair for extra support. See what happens when you connect your breath to the movement, how much more present you can be. Recognizing this is the most important movement of the day. Oh, now this one, this one. Really point your toes down. Really feel that in your calf muscles. It's gonna help so much when we're out walking. When we take the stairs instead of the elevator, as we do here in this community. Take the furthest parking spot away from the front door. We reserve those spaces for people that really do need them. Couple more. Yeah, excellent. Okay, we're gonna sit to stand again. You can bring your hands to your chest just to change the dynamic of it a little bit. That is not gonna work for me. I'm gonna go with one, but I'm gonna use my assistance again. I'm gonna rise up, and this time, come up onto your heels, off your heels, for a couple heel raises as well. In this movement, I can only get a little bit off my heels. If you can get all the way up on your tippy toes, amazing. Just do it for 2, sit back down. We could rise, we could twist, we could lift a leg. So many variations. The idea is to take any one of these movements and use it throughout your day. Continually building strength. Micro movements, movement snacks, whatever you want to call them. Just find ways to continue building strength throughout your day. And see a bench or a chair as an opportunity to sit and rest, an opportunity to move, build just a little bit more strength. One more here. I invite you, if you can, stay on the balls of your feet for just a moment, building balance, core stability, amazing leg strength. It's a little easier on the balance for me, but you do you, I'll do me. Well done. Okay, let's go into a march again. Remember, sit nice and tall. Chest out. Think of moving with real dignity, real integrity in the movement. Maybe we go a little bit quicker. Why not? We can. Breathe. Ooh, maybe start to move with a little bit of wonder and awe. It's amazing that we can do this. It truly is. Oh, when we start to see the extraordinary in the ordinary. Oh, there's a level of happiness that comes with that cannot be beat. All right. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Let's finish the way we started. Just with a few leg extensions. Oh, hands here give you great stability. Yes. And now I'm going to invite some breath work as we finish off. Breathe into one side, out to the other. Very controlled. Watch the monkey mind. Just be here now. One more. Real controlled, real calm. Maybe hold it there for just a moment. Hold it, feel that. Yeah. Other side. Just hold it there for one moment. I need a little support to hold that one up. Again, if you need assistance, ask for assistance. Take it. It is strength, not weakness. And back down. Oh, let's just shake it out. How are the legs feeling? Let me know. 10 seconds here. Sit with real integrity. Close your eyes. Just take in everything you've just done and just be. Just notice. Let out a big sigh. Ah, well done. That's it for today. Continue to move throughout your day. You can build so much strength, endurance, all that good stuff in small increments throughout your entire day. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Goodbye.